Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. The video is going to be about a get ready with me. So grab your brushes or makeup and do your makeup with me, and let's chill and have a good time. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my face. The Body Shop's Vitamin C Energizing Face Mist. Oh, don't forget the neck. They always say the neck is the first to go and get wrinkles, and we're not trying to get that. Yeah, just let that sink in. So once it's all in, but I love to just prep my skin. I've been trying this out for a while. This is the Netrogenia Hydro Boost. It's a gel, absorbs right into the skin, and I just love to prep my skin because it feels so good. It's so nice and refreshing. It has like a cooling feeling. It's not like the Hydro Boost face wipes that I reviewed. The link is up there if you haven't watched it. Go check that out after this video. Yeah, so I have a whole day of filming videos, so that's why I have to get ready for you guys. And now that I'm on a YouTube schedule, it's gonna help me to take things more seriously, I guess. In my pause, I make such weird faces when I'm doing anything on my face. It's just so ridiculous. Jackie Aina, if you haven't checked her channel out, she's a super amazing blogger. She always ooh, I dropped something. Learned this trick from her. It's to set the primer with a translucent powder so that you feel at bay. So I'm just going to set that primer. I'm using the Real Techniques. I'm just going ham with that. Yeah, so now yeah, so now that the powder is set, I just feel like I'm gonna put I use the Mporhe translucent powder in banana. I'm just going to press a little bit more. Ooh, no, child. I look like I'm baking. I forgot, it just took too much. Holy shit, what am I doing? It should be like a YouTube parody or something. I mean, beauty blogger parody. This also helps to not only set the primer and make your makeup last longer. Oh my god, my sponge is getting a little bit dry. Okay. Oh my god, look at my under eyes. It just looks so... It looks so amazing right now. Guys, I cannot get enough of these chocolates. These are the chocolate decadence chocolates. I'm literally on the last one. I like finished everything. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. How are you going to spend your Valentine's Day this year? Okay, so then I'm going to take the Alley Girl Pro Coverage in the shade... what is it? In the shade Warm Caramel. I'm just going to take a pump of that because we are not trying to go all full coverage. I mean, this is a very full coverage foundation. And it oxidizes though. That is why if you are looking at the foundation and thinking, so we're just gonna bounce the I want to say beauty blend, I wanted to say beauty blender. Just bouncing the miracle sponge all over the face. Sounds so weird to say. Yeah, so are you guys gonna be single for Valentine's Day like I am? Or are you going to have fun with your significant other? What you guys are gonna be doing for Valentine's Day? It'll be so much fun. I personally, it's not my favorite day of the year because everyone is so annoying. Ooh, that looks like. The Maybeline concealer in the color Cafe, and I'm just going to highlight the skin. This is a very neutral concealer, but it is such a long wearing concealer, and it also oops, I think I just put it way too much there. But anyway, I am so excited for the next episode of How to Get Away with Murder. It's one of my favorite programs right now at the moment. If I'm also looking for new series, so if you have any new any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. I will be sure to check it out. Yeah, so I'm so in love with How to Get Away with Murder. It's one of the best shows out. Yeah. So now I'm just going to bake under my eyes with Moprhe powder and look like a crazy ass alien. It looks so crazy. I'm just gonna take whatever's left and just set the rest off my face. I cannot believe that it's already the end of April. I cannot believe that it's already the end of January, and it's like time is just going so fast. It's unbelievable. Yeah, so I'm going to take the NYX Pro palette, contour color in the shade Hollow, and I'm also going to take these two colors and mix them up and brush off the fake. It's so crazy. They just released the new it's not new, it's been around for a while, the Wet n Wild, I say I was gonna contour. Yeah, so the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, although it's only released here with like 3 colors, which is so annoying. That's like so annoying, cause this forehead is so big. Is it me or does my forehead look huge? My word, my forehead is so big. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna brush off this fake the contour brush because it's going to add a little bit of color and remove that ashiness from the skin. My under eyes are insane. What is wrong with this fly? Now I'm just gonna contour my nose. I'm going to highlight with the Bessie Luminizer and Kabuki brush. Just ever so slightly on the highest points, just to give a little bit of shimmer. Just need a little bit more. So I'm going to take the Miss Royal palette. You can see this is well loved in the shades Golden, on the same Kabuki brush. Okay, so that's the video. I hope you guys liked it.